So in this Google Sheets tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a calendar date picker to cells in Google Sheets. So the first step you have to do is select a range of cells or select a cell that you want to add it to. So I'm just going to go ahead and select these cells right here, C2 to C11. Once that is done, I want you to go to the top and press on data and then go down to where it says data validation. It'll then open up to this screen right here where you want to go ahead and select add rule. Then it'll show you obviously the range right here. Now where it says criteria, go ahead and select that and then go down to where it says is valid date. You can also select any one of these if you want as well, but I'll just keep on selecting is valid date. Once that is done, simply go ahead and press done. Now once the thing is added, if you just go ahead and select, so you can go ahead and close this if you want, but if you were to go ahead and double tap on one of the dates right here, you can actually then select dates. So if you wanted to select today, you can go down to this one, you can select, May 1st, you can go ahead and select this one, May 15th, but as you can tell, if you were to double tap right here, you don't have the date selected. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to add a calendar date picker in cells in Google Sheets. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.